Ah!
Raji, what is it? You look restless. What is the problem?
It's your sister. Please, have you two by any means spoken with her?
Yeah,
huh?
I spoke with her in the morning.
Same here. But why do you ask? Anything that matters?
The truth of the matter is that, you know, I was on call with her. Yeah, she said she was 15 minutes away from here. Okay? Now she's nowhere to be found. And you know, she's not here yet. I've been calling her. The phone has been ringing. She's not picking up.
Switched off.
Switched off?
Yes.
What is going on?
Maybe you should try it again. Might be network.
Okay. Same thing.
Could be wrong.
Oh God, she knows I can't handle pressure.
What's going on here?
It's Sister Zara. Her phone was on earlier, now switched off.
Oh, really?
Yes, please, have you by any means spoken with your sister in the last 20 minutes?
What sort of dumb question is that? Huh? Let's go inside. Maybe she had a flat battery or something. Let's go inside. She'll be back soon, okay? Let's go in.
But that might be right. Maybe we're just worrying ourselves for nothing.
Hey, I said go inside.
Calm down. I think she will be back. Just give us some time.
Go inside.
Greetings.
I'm Inspector David. Right here with me is my colleague.
Yes.
Sergeant Alex. We're both from the force headquarters.
Okay, what can I do you for?
Is this Chizara? Is Zegu's house?
Yes.
Yes. Good. We are here to affirm your relationship with her, sir.
Well, I'm her husband.
Yes. Well, there has been a case of kidnap.
Kidnap?
What?
This ID right here with me and other important documents were recovered at the scene of the crime. Please, sir, if you don't mind, I ask you come with us for further identification.
Oh my God. Oh my, yes. Why not? Why not, please?
Oh, Brolajki.
Yes.
Please, let me come with you, please.
I'm coming with you too.
No, please. There's no need for that, okay? It's better you're on this side of the divide. Let me go that way, all right?
Are you sure you're
We
okay?
might have a phone call or something. Let me go with the gentleman, please. If anything, if you get any call, please call, okay? Let me know, all right?
Okay.
Please, gentlemen.
Please take care.
Kidnap?
Yes, that's him. He's back. That's him right there. That's him. That's the criminal. Please. Yes. Yes, officer. That's him. That's him.
What is going on here? I don't understand. What is this madman talking about?
I'm Inspector David. Right here with me is my colleague, Sergeant Alex. We're both from the force headquarters. Are you Ebuka Ezugo?
Answer!
Yeah, yes. And how may I help you?
Good. You are needed at the station for questioning in connection with the kidnap of one Mrs. Chizzy Ezugo.
My own sister? You're questioning me? I don't understand. How will I kidnap my own sister? Officer, do you know what you're doing?
Officer, really, I don't understand why you're speaking lots of English right now. Lift this man! Let him show us what
sorry,
the is.
Mr. Ebuka. You have to follow us right now. Refusing to comply. We attract force and further prosecution. Now move it!
Move now. Go. Officer, take this man away. I need to see my wife, please.
I said move it! Can't you? What's wrong with you?
Criminal, move it. Go, my friend. Not to worry, not to worry. Your sister will be back, okay? He will tell us where she is.
What's going on? What's happening?
I wouldn't know. Let them go and come back first.
They're leaving me, but
As I don't know.
this is a lot for today already.
Ebuka, I am still waiting.
Waiting for what is that, officer?
Waiting exactly for you to tell me what you know about your sister's disappearance.
What do you want me to say about her disappearance?
How can you describe your relationship with her?
Well, nothing short of brother and sister relationship.
Ebuka. Okay, good. Was there any face-off between the both of you today before her disappearance?
Yes. We had minor issues, but it wasn't just today. Yeah, it was an everyday thing.
Oh, it's an everyday thing. So tell me, what happened today?
No, officer, I don't think that is necessary.
It is. It is necessary you tell me. Please.
So that's what he said. He said those big words before leaving.
What exactly did he say? Do you still remember?
Yes, of course I do. Of course. He said he didn't hit me back simply because he would come back with a bigger, better hit, and he would see what would become of me.
So who else was there? Just the three of you?
No, Tonya was actually there.
Tonya?
Yes.
Who is she?
The customer care officer. She was actually there before I got in.
Good then. Has anyone contacted you for ransom or any other thing?
No, not at all.
That will be all for now. Do not hesitate to reach us if you hear or you notice anything.
Yes.
Okay. And please, officer, please don't leave any stone unturned. Please. I mean, try and get my wife at all costs. Please. Please, I beg of you, because this house has been nothing but, tears, wailing, and, expectations. I mean, you can look at their faces.
We're still very much on the case, and I can assure you that everything is under control. We beg to take our leave now.
Please, I'll see you off. Please, thank you.
Sister Zara, where are you? Please.
It's okay, don't worry. She'll come back.
God, please bring my sister back.
Come on, it's okay. Just take it easy. She'll come back.
Please.
Come on.
Do well to use this place. Please.
Thank you.
You're welcome. I guess you're okay now.
Yes, I'm fine.
Good. You are with Mrs. Chizzy in her office yesterday before her altercation with her brother. Can you please tell me what's transpired?
We were discussing when Ibuka suddenly barged in and demanded to know why Mr. Ejike would deny him access to money from his company.
His company? Can you please elaborate on that?
Yes. He always calls it his company simply because he believes, as the first son of our late chairman, that he owns the company.
Tell me, what is Mr. Ejike's present position in the company?
He's our chief accountant. Mrs. Chizzy brought him in to help checkmate Ibuka's access to our company's money.
So what did happen?
He became very angry and grabbed her by the neck before Mr. Ejike came and hit him.
Go on, I'm all ears. Go on.
He left in anger and threatened to come back with a bigger and better hit.
Do you believe Mr. Ibuka is capable of kidnapping Mrs. Chizzy?
Honest to God, I don't know, officer. Oh, Mrs. Chizzy has complained to me about Ibuka's incessant threat to her life that is giving her concern.
So it simply means you believe that he did it.
It is not my call to make. But I suggest Ibuka should be thoroughly investigated.
Thank you very much. That will be all for now. Do well to reach us if there is any information or you see anything that could help in the finding of Mrs. Chizzy, please.
I will.
You're welcome. Ibuka, you told your sister you will be back with a bigger and a better hit. Can you explain that?
Well, that line was just a mere threat.
A mere threat, you say? Tell me, was that the reason why you kidnapped that girl?
Officer, I kidnapped no one. I did not do it. I did not kidnap her. Oh yes, it's true that Chizzy got me angry yesterday. But that couldn't make me to kidnap her just like that.
Mr. Ibuka, you threatened her severally. How true is that?
You're right. Yes. But it was never meant to hurt her. It was just empty threats from me.
Good. Now you listen and listen real good. With or without your help, the police will find your sister. But be rest assured that withholding vital information from the police is very dangerous. Ibuka.
Officer, I am not withholding any information from you. I am innocent!
I know you are innocent! I can see it all written all over your face. But listen to me. In due time, you will confess. Ebuka.
You are our brother. You can confide in us. Please, tell us the truth. Did you kidnap our sister?
No, I did not. I cannot kidnap my own blood. I won't try it. I did not. I'm innocent. I didn't.
Who did then? Who kidnapped my sister?
I don't know. But I'm innocent. I did not try it. I won't. I did not do that. I mean, you know me now. You know me so well. I cannot do such a thing. Maybe you have to trust me. You have to believe me. I didn't do it. I did not. I didn't say I didn't try. I will not try it with my own blood.
You have always threatened her. And you did the same thing too, the same day she got missing.
I know I used harsh words against her. Yes. But the truth is this. I didn't mean any of those words. Right? I just said those words to her to subdue her. Why would I kidnap her? I did not. I didn't. I'm innocent.
I'm just so confused right now. I don't even know what to believe anymore.
This is the 5th day. And nothing has been heard. I just want my sister back. I want to see Sister Chizzy again.
You mean no one has called to ask for ransom?
And that's the scariest part of everything. No one has called.
Nobody.
You don't know who to turn to.
I mean, that's it, you know? No phone calls, no demands, no ransom, nothing. No phone calls, nothing.
This is strange.
Well, strange to you, but not to me.
And how do you mean?
The truth of the matter is that the criminal is right there in your custody. He has no way of communicating with the abductors. Yes.
I guess you're making a point there.
Of course I am. I am. So please, officer, please try as much as possible to do everything you can to get my wife out of that mess, okay? Please, I miss my wife. I need my wife back.
Mr. Ejike, we are doing our best and you and I know this.
Please, this has to go beyond your best, okay? You have to do everything possible to get my wife out of there. Really. That's it. I mean, right now you have to employ better actions, better intelligence. You understand me? I mean, you just have to think outside the box. Get her out of there. I miss my wife. That is my life right there. I mean, my in-laws are devastated. They need their sister back. Please.
I can understand you said, like I said earlier, we are doing our best. And we will continue to do this until she's found.
Please.
Be at rest assured.
Please.
I want you to put a call through to me and I'll do same here if anything comes up.
Of course I will. You know I will. But please, just
I need to leave now.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Please. Please.
You don't know who to trust. Don't know who to run to. You don't know who is.
The problem is that the police are just inefficient. That's it. This units are just inefficient.
Don't play dumb with me, Ebuka! Call your accomplices and ask them to release your sister.
Immediately! I'm not going to call anyone.
Why?
Because I do not know what you're talking about. You asked me to call the people that kidnapped my sister and ask them to bring her back. Do I know who they are?
Lawyer! Ebuka, lawyer! Now you listen to me. I have been taking this calmly with you. But as it stands now, you want me to use force on you. And that's exactly what I'm going to do with you. Call them!
My love. My darling. My sweetheart. The one who owns me and I decided to own forever. Our bed has been so lonely without you. Our home has been so empty without you. The nights have been so long without your sweet smile. Please come back. Please. You don't deserve to be in the position you are now. Emeka, your brother, and your sister are always wailing, as tears have just been everybody's companion now. I miss you. 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 God, I miss you.
I miss my friend. I miss you. Chisara, maybe I miss you. It's been 2 months now and you're nowhere to be found. I miss your beautiful smile. I miss our gist. I miss literally everything. Please come back. Where are you, Chizaram? Please come back. I know you're not dead. I know you are alive somewhere. Please. It breaks my heart that you are not here with me. Please come back to me. Chizaram, please. Hello? What? We all thought the kidnap was for a ransom, but I became really scared when no one contacted us for that.
It wasn't for a ransom. They took me to a nearby bush and shot me after a few minutes.
Oh my God. Oh my God. But why didn't they shoot you immediately? Why did I have to take you to the bush?
They wanted someone to see me.
Eh?
I guess they are a contractor. But the person couldn't come, but ordered them to shoot me instead.
Jesus. No way. Jesus. This is quite shocking. could that be?
My dear, that's a mystery that is yet to be unraveled.
Oh my God. Hey. God. Thank you. Thank you for sparing the life of my friend. I actually thought I've lost you. I was in your office crying with Ejike when Ben's call came in.
How is Ejike?
Traumatized. No one is having it easy at all. And you, Ben, you didn't even tell me. You did not even try to contact the family.
That would have been a very wrong move for our life. We have to unmask the brain behind our attack first.
Hi. Please, how do you feel now?
I feel better. All thanks to God and Ben.
And thank you. God bless you for this huge sacrifice. Thank you so much.
May God be praised.
Hi.
What about my siblings? How are they coping?
Not very well. Ebuka was arrested in conjunction with your kidnap. Ebere and Emeka won't stop crying, like it's been difficult for everyone.
We want to go and visit Ebuka. Will you come with us?
Of course. Now that I've set my eyes on you again, you know I can never afford to lose your sight. I'm very excited to see you. I'm super grateful to God for sparing your life. I don't even know. I don't even know where to start from. I don't want to hurt you. God, thank you. Okay. Oh, sorry.
'Cause the heart is so easy to deceive. You don't know who to believe. And the one you hold so close is the one who hurts you most. You don't know who to turn to. You don't know who is just. You don't know who to.
Officer, what is this? What's going on here? Huh? Officer, what's this criminal doing here? Can you please explain to me what he's doing here? This is a criminal that should tell me what my wife is.
He's here to confess.
He's here to confess. He's here to confess. So why is he here? What is he doing here? Huh?
Calm down, Mr.
Don't tell me to calm down. Don't just tell me.
Sister Sarah! Sister, what happened? Everybody has been worried.
Sister, it's been hell since you disappeared. We thought we've lost you.
You're almost dead. But Mercy said no.
Thank God you're back.
I was saved with the help of Benjamin here.
Thank you. Baby. Oh God, my baby. I just knew you were going to be back. Baby. Thank God. Oh my God, my heart is still beating. Thank you. Thank you. I knew you were always going to come back to me. Oh my God. Oh my God.
I was going to come back to you in the afterlife, you mean?
I was driving right behind her the very day she was adopted.
Jesus. Who would have ordered Chizzy's kidnap? Hi. Thank God I saw her at the hospital. I must track this vehicle down. Yes, I must track them down. She has been with me since that day till now.
Okay, all right, but then, I mean, everything just sums up to one person. It sums up to the fact that this criminal here in dreadlocks ordered my wife's assassination. And what are you doing in his arms? You said, quiet!
I will not repeat myself again. You don't tell me how to do my job.
I kept Chizzy here in my house in order for me to uncover the man behind the mask. To save her life. Because if they find out that she's still alive, they will come for her again. So I paid a secret agent to help track the vehicle that adopted her, using their plate number. From the investigation, it was revealed that HK here is the brain behind everything.
What? What? You? Will you shut up? What do you mean by you? You? Why would I kidnap my... Are you mad? What is going on here? What kind of conspiracy is this? What is really happening? What's going on? Mr. HK, shut up! You shut up?
Yes, shut your mouth up.
Listen, officer, listen. There's a limit to what I can take. You understand? You want to kill me? Get down here! Stupid fool! If I do this with you in the station today, you will get me a kidnapper! Idiot! Fool!
Mr. HK. Yes. Do you still want to deny the fact that you don't know this man here?
Mr. have we met before?
Bros, you calm down now. Don't say you don't boss, I beg. Me and you now, you be scapegoat like this. Can you send us go do this thing now, bros?
Shut your mouth up, Mr. HK!
Listen! Go there! Go there! Hey! Go there!
Gentlemen, this is the gang leader of the group that actually kidnapped Chizzy. It's interesting to also know that they were responsible for the death of Chizzy.
It all started on the very day I picked up a criminal and I went to their den. That was how it all started. Okay, we are here.
Sure. Drive off.
Hey, okay, why now?
That's where they go.
Sir.
Turn left. Where they go? Waka they go. Hey. Turn your left.
Hey, okay, what did I do? Hey,
I will shoot you here.
Sir. Hey, Jesus. Okay,
I will trigger you.
I beg, no trigger.
Yeah, waka they go now.
No trigger. Sir, I'm going, sir. I'm going. Sir, please.
Put your face bright.
Very bright, sir. Very bright, sir. Please don't shoot. Jesus, sir. Please don't shoot, sir. Sir, please, sir. Please, sir. I won't do it. Go. Left. Jesus. Sir. I'm nice, sir. Sir, please see.
Go.
don't make mistakes, sir.
Brighten your face.
Sir, my face is bright, sir.
Brighten your face. So people don't go observe.
Sir, they don't go observe, sir. Sir.
You don't see no getting checked for this class. People will see you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, smile.
I'm smiling, sir.
Smile.
Yes, sir. Left or right, sir?
Right.
Should go right, sir.
Go right.
Sir, please. See, I'm the only child of my parents. You understand?
I know ask you.
Sir.
Straight up.
Yes, sir.
Straight.
Yes, sir. Sir, please now, please. I beg, bros.
For you, I go lie to you.
Bros, I
swear to God,
shut up!
I go lie to you.
Shut up!
Shh. We no put this.
God.
You did me.
Sorry, sir.
Shut up. Ejike Nweke. I know you. I mean, we know you. Rich house. Your mama name na Nwogu. You know fit run, so bring your mind down. You dey hear me?
How did you know?
Make a chill out.
Knock on the tori.
Nah.
Sir?
You know your friend. What, brother? Nah lie. Valence me down, sir. You live for number 19 Creek Road. Not true?
See your life.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, Rizzy.
Your life.
I'm motor where they drive. I got choose get them. Nah lie. Make the answer.
Yes, sir.
I don't like to.
Yes, sir. Oh. Sorry, sir. But wait, I fit do for that now.
If I slap you.
Sorry, sir.
Mr. No pass. Like this, we get better deal for you. You dey hear me? Better style. You see all those boys, all those wealthy boys, all those men, all those people where they carry for your taxi. You could give us their info, their details, and we go track them. On how we track them, you collect them better block, better money. Your percent go be 10%. Reason am now.
You hear am?
Yes, sir.
You go get percent. Shut up. You know want money. I go lie to you now, mumu.
Sir, don't lie, but make I...
You go air for village boy.
Sorry, sir. Make I just talk small, sir. Sir, I'm a nobody. I'm a nobody. I say I'm a child of God. I'm not interested in this kind of thing, sir.
Oh, now me be child of Satan, Abi. He said you're a child of God. Oh, now me be child of Satan, Abi. He even say you no dey interested. Are you interested?
Oh, yeah.
You dey interested?
I don't dey interested. Oh.
I'm interested. Yes, I'm interested.
You interested?
I'm interested. After I lost my mother, I was meted with wickedness by my uncles. So I had to take up the offer. I found out how soft-hearted she was, so I explored a whole lot more. Knowing her position in her father's company, I decided to get closer. He never liked me,
So I decided to work extra hard to make him accept me and love me.
So you planned everything that happened on that day?
Seriously, God. The bullets, I mean, the gunshot wasn't meant to kill him, no. But unfortunately he died. That's it, he died, unfortunately. And, God, I don't know how to... Ebuka here was stubborn, and with his behavior it was a good time to strike. I mean, I orchestrated my plans to kill you, and I felt Ebuka was going to be the suspect. After you had handed over everything to me, I got all greedy. God.
To think I quarreled several times with my late father over you. I thought I had found the love of my life. So my father was right after all.
Chizzy. So you used legal mandate to transfer everything to him?
That was when I thought that you do anything to take over from me. He was the one that actually advised me to hand over everything to him. That you would do anything, including taking me out of the way, so you can take over. I handed everything to him in case anything happens to me, because I trusted him so much.
Now have you seen where your trust has landed you? Huh? I saw it coming. I knew he was fake. But no one believed me. You all thought I was greedy.
Bring out that phone. Bring it out!
Okay, bring it out. Give me that phone.
Hello, Ejike. Diamond is in labor. I'm taking her to Zion Hospital. Meet us there. Hello? Hello? Ejike, are you there? Ejike?
Diamond. Who is Diamond?
Answer the question!
Diamond is my girlfriend.
What? You're how?
Are you getting it? I mean, he has a girlfriend whom he wants her to deliver. It means he's responsible for all the miscarriages you've been having. Don't you get it?
I am very sure of that.
Yes.
Yes.
Wait. The whole thing is beginning to make sense to me right now. Because I remember the first time I had a miscarriage. He told me that we should stop making babies. Wait. So you are the devil that have been eating up all my unborn children. When you have another woman somewhere bearing children for you, how could you do that to me? How could you? How could you do that to me? Sister Zara,
It's okay, please.
How could you? What did I do to you?
It's alright.
Is it a crime to fall in love?
Please come on.
How could you do that to me?
Come on.
Sergeant Alex!
Come on.
Oh yeah, move it! I said stand up, are you mad? Are you sitting? Stand up, are you mad? You want to? Are you, come on, move it, are you mad? Come move it, I will stand.
It's alright, Chizzy.
It's okay.
The law has caught up with him. Please calm down.
I'm sorry.
I want to apologize on behalf of the police commander over the frequent accusations and on behalf of your late father. With what has happened in this family, I think it's enough to have taught you some lesson. To be very careful with your choice of words. I'm sorry.
It's fine.
I have to be on my way.
No, thank you.
Thank you, officer.
It's okay. Sorry.
For everything you've done.
It's okay.
Thank you so much.
Sorry.
I'm doing my job.
Thank you, officer.
It's okay. It's okay, please.
Chizzy, I take full responsibility for everything you went through. If I had remained faithful, all these things wouldn't have happened. I'm sorry for making you go through this. I'm sorry for the pain I caused you. I'm sorry. I want to make amends. Yes. If only you can love me again. I want to right my wrongs. Please.
Benjamin.
Yes.
You risked your life to save me. I will forever be grateful. Love was never the problem. Your excessive cheating was.
I know. And I am sorry. I promise this time I will never hurt you again. I'm a changed man now. I'll do my best to make it up to you, I promise. I love you so much.
I love you too, Benjamin. Thank you.
I love you too. I mean, nah. I'm so sorry for everything. Okay? Forgive me.
And I love this too.
Really?
I know I love that.
I love you too. I'm sorry.
I'm happy for you, Sister Zara.
Thank you.
Oh. I'm happy for you, Sister Zara.
My sister.
If you want my friend, you have to take permission from me first.
Yeah, no. I'm so sorry for everything, okay?
My strong friend.
don't know who to turn to. You don't know who is just. You don't know who to run to. You don't know who to trust. 'Cause the heart is so easy to deceive. You don't know who to believe.